Hello fellow YouTubers, it's Tuesday, June 19, yeah. Hemorrhoids are playing up. I'm off to town to go and have another hearing test. Okay, you can come along for the ride please. Yeah, here we go, we're off. Dun, 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 dun. Oh gosh. Damn hemorrhoids. Traffic, always traffic. Oh dear. Well, you couldn't come along for the ride because the battery on the GoPro is nearly flat. Yeah, that's the way it goes. Sorry folks. Bet you've been here before, so it's not that important. Oh, street. I am going a different way, but I've got to go to the right around the roundabout here, and then down a lane and parking spot where the hearing specialist's office is. Oh, street. It's overcast again today, and it's quite cool, and the wind is blowing again, and the wind is quite cool. I don't like the wind. I don't know anyone who does like the wind. I've got to go down here. Got to be careful, even though it's one way. You've got to be careful. Yeah, the battery on the GoPro goes flat pretty quick. And I thought I had the lead in here that I could plug into the what's the name, thingamajig that powers the GoPro off the 12 volts. I'm rambling on. That's right, don't even bother looking, mate. Don't even bother looking, we'll stop for you. Jesus H. Christ. Hey, some people, they just walk right out, they don't even look. Happens all the time. Sahib, Salabim, yeah, audio clinic. That's where it is. Please enter. Thank you very much. They don't give you much goddamn bloody room. It's like me round. We don't have a big car. Parking only for what? I don't know. I'll have to turn around, I think. Guru's, whatever. Guru's restaurant, I think that is. It's not the. I'm glad I didn't come down here with my four-wheel drive. Otherwise, that'd have been kind of snooky getting in there. How's you putting a parking spot so close to the entrance there? That don't make sense. No, never mind. Right, that's off. Engine's off. Good grief. Oh, sorry. Well, it's 26 past 1. The appointment was 1 o'clock, so I think I just about got in on time. There was no clock in the office, but with these damn hemorrhoids. Oof. And yes, we did the hearing test went as I expected. My hearing's getting worse, and Lachlan, the professional, suggested that I start wearing them a bit more often. It will improve my hearing, so I suppose I should. I suppose I'm going to have to start hearing most of the stuff I don't want to hear in the first place. But we started talking after. He's a keen hunter and shooter too, and we started talking about firearms. Well, that was good. Yeah, so anyhow, that's all done, and I'm heading home now. So, your seatbelt on. It's nice here in the car, it's nice and warm. Now, I should be okay just to shove her in reverse and do a swing around. If you hear a loud clunk, there was something I didn't see. No worries. But of course, being a one-way, what-to-me-gig street, I've got to go to the left here and go back out on the highway, which Yes, out here on the highway. Isn't it wonderful? Of course I got to go left, but I put my indicator on anyhow. Stay green! Stay green! Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you very much. Actually, it's quite warm in here. Let's put the ignition on. Knock a pedestrian over and it's worth 1,000 points. I'm only joking. Only joking. Geez, I tell you what, some of them I'd like to knock over. They're so slow. Not those two people. There's some people that are so goddamn slow. You're sitting there twiddling your thumbs and getting all... Yes, here we go. Yeah, here they come, flying up on the right as usual. There's no right of way here in Australia anymore. That really pisses me off. You give way to the vehicle on the roundabout only, but if you were to go out there, there'd be accidents galore. So people give way to their right anyhow, because people still think there's a give way to the right law, but it's not. It was a stupid law to begin with. Give way to your right. Yeah, used to be 30, 40 years ago. You were had to give way to people coming out onto a main road if they came from your right. It was ridiculous. It caused accidents galore. Yeah, well. Well, here we are, almost home. Almost home. Back in. There we are. We're here. Lock the car. Now I've got to close the gates. They're good, but they're a pain in the bum. Oh, that wind's cold. I don't like the wind. Hate the wind, as a matter of fact. Get in the hole, you damn thing. Yeah. Oh well. That's that. I want to say thanks for watching now, because I may not add to this video later on. So I want to say thank you for watching. And until next time, bye for now.